Good afternoon. Those who were wrongfully convicted have been waiting years for this news, and this still isn't over. There are dozens more cases that will be heard that have connections to that former police sergeant Ronald Watts, and even more than that, they're going to find out whether or not they're going to have their cases vacated as well.
This is a good day for justice for our clients. There are many more clients who we're fighting for. There's also more accountability that we're asking for. And while I'm up here today, I do want to call on the city to finally take some action to hold these officers accountable. And we heard a lot about Watts, who's off the force, but many of his team members are still there, are still drawing a salary, and we have investigations at the city that have not gone anywhere.
About 35 cases were called today. The state has decided not to contest the convictions of 19 men and women. The other cases, which the state didn't agree to, will go back before a judge in March. The state's attorney says that they have to go through each of those cases thoroughly before making a decision. The judge called all of this a blight to the criminal justice system. All of these cases are connected to former Chicago Police Sergeant Ronald Watts. He led a unit that framed and shook down people living in Chicago's Ida B. Wells housing complex, all for about a decade back in the early 2000s. Watts was convicted of stealing money from a drug courier that was also an FBI informant in 2013. He was sentenced to nearly 2 years in prison. Some arrested by Watts and his team served 4 years.
These days are difficult. But the men and women who are impacted by these actions today are not standing here with us. But if you talk to them about how their lives have been uprooted and impacted, that this is not a day of celebration. This is a day where we have to reckon with the history of our system and vow to do everything within our power, again, to make sure that it never happens again.
Now, about another 35 cases will be heard next week, dozens more the week after that. All told, we're talking about 88 people that will have their cases heard. And so far, there's been 115 convictions that have been vacated, all with connections to that corrupt police sergeant. We are live at the Cook County Criminal Courthouse. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.